This is the lesson on absolute value. So how do we define absolute value? The absolute value of a number is the distance, no? It is the distance of a number on the number line from 0. So we will just count how many units is a number from 0. When we say absolute value, it is always positive, no? There is no absolute value that is negative. Again, all absolute values are positive. The absolute value asks how far and not in what direction. When we say how far, it is always positive. If we are asked how far is Baguio from Manila, let's say mga 100 kilometers, so that is positive 100 kilometers, no? Or how far is Bicol from Manila? So same mo lang, no? Let's say mga approximately 100 kilometers. So 100 is positive. Okay? Not in what direction. Kasi pag sinabing in what direction, pwedeng positive, pwedeng negative. If it is going north, positive. If it is going south, negative. If it is going west, negative. And if it is going east, positive. Yes, positive. Okay? So the absolute value asks how far, not in what direction. Let's say the absolute value of negative 6. So what is the absolute value of negative 6? We will just count how many units is negative 6 from 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the absolute value of negative 6 is 6 because it is 6 units away from 0. And how about the absolute value of positive 5? So we will count how many units positive 5 is from 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 units. The absolute value of positive 5 is 5. So what is the absolute value of negative 4? So just count how many units is negative 4 from 0. Let's erase. So this is negative 4. How many units is negative 4 from 0? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the absolute value of negative 4 is 4. And what is the absolute value of 0? So the absolute value of 0 is hindi siya umalis. At is siya. Hindi siya gumalaw. So 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So wala siyang absolute value kaya 0. No? Kasi sabi ko kanina, lahat ng absolute value is positive. So, ang 0 ang absolute value niya. Okay? Not positive, not negative. Okay? So, that is, what is the absolute value of a number? Next. What is the number 5 units to the right of negative 2? So first, plot negative 2 on the number line. So this is negative 2. I will change the color. Okay, so this is negative 2. 5 units to the right of negative 2. So this is to the left of negative 2. This is the right of negative 2. So we will count 5 units from negative 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 is 5 units away from negative 2 to the right, to its right, no? So the answer is 3. Next. What is the number 3 units to the left of negative 1? So, ipa-plot natin si negative 1. Ito yun. So, negative 1. So, 3 units to the left. Kanina, to the right. Ngayon, to the left. Remember, this is the left of negative 1. This is the right of negative 1. So, 3 units. So, we will move 3 units from negative 1. 1, 2, 3. So, nag-stop sa negative 4. So, the answer is negative 4. Okay. So, negative 4 is 3 units to the left of negative 1. Okay. Next. Number 3 na. Yan. Number 3. What are the numbers 6 units away from 1? So, kanina, what is, no? To the right lang. What is to the left. Ngayon, what are? Kasi both sides. So, what are the numbers 6 units away from 1? So, we will plot 1 to the number line dito. So, ayan. So, we will move 6 units away. Both sides, no? So, to the right, to the left muna. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, dito siya nag-stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, sa negative 5 siya nag-stop. One number is negative 5. And the second number, to the right naman, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 7. 7. So, negative 5 and 7. Away from positive 1. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, positive 7. Parang di malinaw. No? So, negative 5 and 7. The distance of a number from 0 can also be written as x minus 0, where the reference point is 0. Now, we will find the values of x na. No, kanina absolute value lang. Ngayon, the values of x. So, the absolute value of x dapat dalawa. Okay? So, for example, magbibigay muna ako ng ibang example. Example, the absolute value of x equals 4. Yan. Wala itong kinalaman dito. So, if the value of x is negative 4, so what is the value of the absolute value of negative 4? Yes, the absolute value of negative 4 is 4. Therefore, they are equal. So, one value of x is negative 4. Since the absolute value of positive 4 is also 4, the positive 4. What is the absolute value of positive 4? So 4 then. So 4. It is equal to 4. So there are two values of x, one negative 4 and one positive 4 for this equation. So ito, x minus 0 is equal to 5. Okay. So the reference point, according to the statement, the reference point is 0. So this is the reference point. Yung reference point, doon tayo magi-start na magmo-move, no? So ang reference point, reference point is 0. And 5 is the number of movements. Yung 5. So, number of movements is 5. Now, we can find the value of x now. Two values of x. So, the reference point is 0 and the movement, this is the number, yung equals the number of movements. So, magmumove tayo from 0 ng 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, dito siya nag-stop. No? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dito siya nag-stop. So, one value is negative 5. So, magmumove din tayo sa right. 5 units din. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dito tayo nag-stop. So, another value of x is positive 5. So, there are two values of x. One negative 5 and one positive 5. One value of x is negative 5 and another value is 5. Value positive. Ito yung value ng x, hindi siya absolute value. Value ng x. Okay. So, second example. What happens when the reference point is positive 1? Kanina, ang reference point natin is 0. So, nag-start tayo mag-move simula sa 0. Ngayon, the reference point is 1. Ito ang equation. So, the absolute value of x minus 1 equals 5. So, ang reference point is 1. Positive 1, ha? Hindi yan negative kasi x minus 1. So, ano yan? Positive. So, positive 1 ang reference point. Positive 1. Ayan. So, ang number of movements ito pa rin equals number of movements. Okay? So, 5 pa rin. Ngayon, mahanap na natin si values ng x. Okay? From positive 1, kasi ang reference point is 1, ito yon. Yan yon, ha? Yan. So, magmumove tayo 5 units kasi ang number of movements is 5. So, magmumove tayo to the right and to the left. Sa left muna. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, nag-stop siya dito sa negative 4. Ulitin ko. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, one value of x is negative 4. And to the right naman, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dito siya nag-stop. So, another value of x is 6. One value of x is negative 4 and the other value of x is positive 6 or simply 6. Minus 1, 5. The absolute value of 5, 5. Okay? So, Negative 4. Negative 4 minus 1. So hindi pa natin na-discuss yung yung subtraction of integers, no? Kaya by ano lang muna ang gagamitin natin. By line, number line, no? Kasi nga hindi pa natin na-discuss yung integers. So, negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. And the absolute value of negative 5 is 5. Okay? So, yan yung example number 2. Example number 3. Ayan. So, what happens when the reference point is negative 1? So, yung reference point natin is negative 1. Kanina, positive 1 kasi x minus 1 lang yon. Ngayon, naging x minus negative 1. So, ang reference point natin ay negative 1. Diyan tayo mag-i-start ng pag-move. And ang number of movements is 5. Ang reference point at saka ang number of movements nag-change yan, hindi pa laging 5. Example ko lang, laging 5 para makita nyo yung difference, no? So, ang reference point natin ay negative 1, ang number of movements 5. So, mahanap natin si x. So, move lang from negative 1. So, dito ang reference point natin. Diyan tayo mag-i-start. Ilang units? 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, negative. Wait. The reference point is negative 1. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dito nag-stop. So, yung value ng x ay negative 6. To the right naman, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dito ka nag-stop. So, another value, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, another value of x is 4. You can check, no? So, negative 6 minus negative 1 equals 5 in absolute value, no? When you simplify this one, negative 6 plus minus negative 1, kasi ito magiging positive, no? Negative is positive. So negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. The absolute value of negative 5 is 5. So equal dito, no? Negative 5 equals negative 5. Equals, 5 pala. The absolute value of negative 5 is 5. Ayan, i-rewrite ko. The absolute value of negative 5 is it equal to 5? 5 is equal to 5. Balance. Pag hindi nag-balance yan, mali. Okay? So, i-check naman natin si 4. 4, di ba sinabi ko minus negative magiging plus, x plus 1, o x is 4, 4 plus 1 equals 5. So, the absolute value of positive 5 is 5. Okay. One value of x is negative 6, and the other value of x is 4, or positive 4. Okay. So, these are the two values of x, negative 6 and 4. Okay, so what will happen when the reference point is 3, positive 3? Pero ang number of movements 5 pa din. So, ang reference point is 3, positive 3 ha. Hindi yan negative kasi x minus 3. So, ang number of movements is 5. So, find the value of x. So, saan tayo magsisimula? What sa reference point? ang reference point ay 3. So, dito. Ayan. So, mag-move tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, dito tayo nag-stop. So, ang 1 value of x is negative 2. Then, mag-move din tayo sa right. 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. Eh, paano yan, sir? Wala na. Eh, dapat 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yung arrow na yan, it signifies continuity. So, you can continue. After 7 is very good, 8. So, pwede kang maglagay pa. Magdiretso 8. So, 5. So, dito ka nag-stop. Another value of x is 8. Okay? The value of x is negative 2 and the other value of x is positive 8 or 8. So these are the two values of x, negative 2 and positive 8. And the last. What happens when the reference point is negative 3? So what are the numbers that are 5 units away from negative 3? So the reference point negative 3, ayan, minus negative 3. Kanina, x minus 3. Pag x minus 3, ang reference point 3. Kapag x minus negative 3, ang reference point negative 3. Same ang movement, number of movements. Number of movements, 5 pa rin. So, pwede nating mahanap si x. Dalawang x. So, locate negative 3 sa number line. Ito, negative 3. Ayan. So, mag-move ka to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8. So, x is negative 8. And, to the right naman, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, positive 2. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, pang 7, 8, pang 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, nag-stop sa 8. One value of x is negative 8. And sa right naman, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, the other value of x is 2. Okay? So, the value of x is negative 8 and the other value of x is 2. So, there are two values of x. That is how to find the value of x and the absolute value of a number. So remember, the absolute value of positive or negative number is always positive. And to find the value of x, identify the reference point on the number line, then move depending on the number of movements. No? So for example, this one, the number of movements is 5, the reference point is negative. Okay? So,